You guys, it's ice. So no, we didn't vlog our anniversary.
Nope.
We just relaxed and spent time together. We didn't go anywhere extravagant. We didn't do anything. Plus, we were gonna go hiking, but a wrench was thrown into our plans. Mostly because it's 23 degrees and snowing outside.
Yeah, when we were gonna go, it was like high of the day, 8.
Literally, and it was gonna be even colder when we were gonna go hiking because it's all up on mountains and stuff. So that was a hell no. So today is the next day, and we drove around playing Pokemon, and now we're at Target just because we wanted to get out the house a little bit and go and do something. But yeah, yesterday was really relaxed. We ate some cake, we watched some movies, we learned about a new game called Warhammer that we're going to be trying out, and so we're super excited. We found a store that's located in our town specifically for Warhammer, so we're going to be going and getting the stuff for that and playing that game. So I'm excited about it. You guys have no idea how excited I am for what I'm about to make. Let me show you. Okay, so I'm making these vegan turkey cutlets, right? I'm gonna air fry them, mashed potatoes, and then corn, and then it comes with, the turkey cutlets come with gravy. Do you guys have any idea what I'm making? Hubster's working out, literally in the process. That's why he's dripping sweat right now. But you guys, I am making the vegan version of Famous Bowls from KFC. Now, we were gonna get like chicken because we also have the vegan chicken nuggets or whatever, but I want to try the turkey cutlets with it. Excited. Literally. And oh, if you guys ever get, let me show you the brand. If you guys ever get these, when you air fry them, after you air fry them, well, first I like to take like maybe just a teaspoon of oil, and I put it on there, put them in the air fryer, cook them for about 16 to 20 minutes. And then when they come out, sprinkle a little bit of salt on them. They taste exactly like McDonald's chicken nuggets. Well, not like exactly, but really, really close. But yeah, so I was gonna use these, but instead I'm gonna use the turkey cutlets, and I'm so excited to try it. So, I can't wait. This is so good. This is so good. It's snowing a lot right now, which I think I mentioned before, but you thought it. We're still gonna go play Pokemon because we're those people. Bubbled up, ready to go. Okay, so we were just playing this truck they were literally parked right next to us, and they kept trying to take our gyms out, and then we would take our gyms back, and we were doing that back and forth with this truck for like over an hour until they just literally just left. And they're like, no. So then we went, because they had other gyms around the hiking area, and we went and drove down and took all of their gyms and made them all yellow because Team Instinct. Yes. And we're about to go back up there. We're stopping, picking up some energy drinks and some waters, and then we're gonna go back. We brought our chargers, everything. We even brought like some snacks. Like I made us some sandwiches. We got some chips, and we are about to go and demolish everybody else again, because some people came through and beat our gyms, and we're about to go back and beat the other gyms. We got time today. You guys, we're driving in the middle of a snowstorm. It's snowing like crazy out here. We're gonna get some coffee, and then we're gonna go.
Yeah, go ahead and say it. We're gonna go fucking play Pokemon. You goddamn right. No matter if there's snow or ice, I want to be the very best.
And no one ever was. To catch them is my real test. To train them is my call. Boom, boom, boom. I will travel across the land, searching for why. Okay, we're gonna get some coffee.
Yep.
I need some energy.
I need some traction, that's what I need.
Oh, we're going to Human Being. You guys, yes, we're that addicted. Well, I'm that addicted that I got a sweater from the Human Being, and Hubster's wearing it. And it looks like a child's sweater on him, and it cracks me up when I see him wear it. But yeah, so, Human Being.
Yeah.
You guys know we're at the Human Being. So we got our coffees, waiting on them right now. Did I mention it was Valentine's Day? It's Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine.
So, happy Valentine. Oh, show them the sweater since we're parked. That Human Being.
The Human Being.
Also, did you see how tight that was on him?
It is damn near a fucking belly shirt. And she's always like, why are your shirts so big on me? The fucking wad.
But yeah, we are going to be going to Walmart to pick up some stuff because we are going to be making chili for our Valentine's Day meal. And then I already have cookie dough that I made sitting in the fridge. So we're going to have my oatmeal, peanut butter, chocolate chip cookies that are so good.
I was going to be that asshole that was like, stay warm.
They give you a little espresso bean and a little chocolate.
You want my chocolate?
I was holding the wrong part and burning my hand off. No, not happening. But yeah, look, Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. So we're going to drink this. We're going to go play Pokemon. I'll see you guys there. Look at it. Snow blizzard.
It's not that bad out, honestly.
No, it's not.
Like, it's not even remotely cold. It's just fucking snowing like crazy.
Mm-hmm. You guys, it says it's 10 degrees out.
Feels really good for fucking 10 degrees. Yesterday, it was frigid as shit. It was 18.
Look how small my sweater is on him. Let's go over here. I want to take a picture. I'm going to take some photo. You guys, I know I'm crazy for sitting out in the snow, but if you guys knew how much I loved the fucking snow, like, it's my favorite time of year. My favorite time of year. You guys, it's nuts out here. We had to cut Pokemon a little short because we don't know if stores are going to be closing soon.
Plus, it's going to get worse later on in the day, so.
It's supposed to get a lot worse. So we're like, we need to go.
Get our stuff and then we'll get back out.
Yeah. Go get our stuff and then we're going to head back out to play Pokemon because we are that crazy. Plus, we live right across the street from the park where we play Pokemon most of the time anyways. It's the hiking trail and stuff like that that you guys normally see us on. So we're right across the street, so, you know, plus we just don't want to be in the house like all day. And then later on, we are going to be opening up Warhammer. I told you guys about that earlier in the vlog, that we're going to start playing this game. So Hubster got the stuff on Friday, and then today we're going to, which is Valentine's Day, so it's Sunday, we're going to start unboxing everything, and then we get to start painting our little figurines. I'm so excited about it. Sorry, I was able to just let it sit there because we were stopped, but yeah, we get to start painting our little figurines, so I'm super excited about it. And
might become a series.
So be on the lookout for that. I don't know, we might even, like, I don't know if we're gonna make it a series on here or if we might start a Warhammer like channel. Because depending on how addicted we get to the game, that's what I'm really gonna base it on. So I'm gonna still like vlog like little bits and pieces of it, but once we start to learn the game even more and we start playing the game even more, building our armies and stuff like that.
The kit we got is, so for one thing I want to preface, Warhammer is not cheap. So if you don't have the extra funds and you're looking for a hobby, pick something else.
Yeah, because it's a very expensive hobby.
Like the starter kit, so I got us a starter kit, the starter paint kit, and the primer. It was like $250.
Yeah.
Which isn't bad, considering the kit comes with 2 different starter armies, the mat, the dice, the rule books, the terrain models, and then the paint comes with all the paint you need, the brush, some of the tools, and then the primer.
Yeah.
So it definitely can be expensive, but if you're into anything that's like tabletop or D&D or fucking Pathfinder, look it up. It's fucking dope.
And we're gonna be playing it. So see you guys when we get into Walmart.
In about an hour.
It's taken forever to get there. And we're not far away from Walmart at all, but we're driving really, really slow.
Yeah, I just literally lost traction going up a 4-foot fucking hill.
So see you guys when we get there. Ready to brave the weather. We're at Walmart. Oh my god, we just parked, you guys. Woo! It is insanity! Holy shit! It is so ridiculous. But I'm gonna put my phone away. It's so cold! So we're in Walmart. You guys, it's way busier in here than I was expecting it to be. Not in this section, thankfully, but it's a lot busier. Did we pass a lot? Oh, there's...
should be right.
No, those are pearl onions. So we're getting the stuff for the chili.
I don't think they have it.
So it is packed the house at every cash out place. So we're just kind of walking around, letting things die down a bit more before we go and actually, you know, start to cash out. But it's nuts. we had to go and see a little bit of other stuff that they have, because the frozen section, which is what I normally like to buy for chili, I like to get a lot of frozen vegetables for it, but no, because I don't normally like the produce at Walmart, but we were able to find some like good little pieces. I'll show you when we get in the car what all that we got for the chili, because I have most of the stuff at home, but it's kind of hectic. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what we got for the chili while we're swerving and twirling. I got some green onions, because, you know, you gotta have that in Shenanigans. We got these marinated mushrooms. It's an Italian style blend with oil, spices, and white wine. I wonder what these are gonna taste like. I'm not really a mushroom person. This is more lobsters, but I do eat mushrooms from time to time.
Sidebar, we were in there for 20 minutes and 3 inches of the ground.
Literally. And on top of that, all the machines were like going down.
We were in line and then everything stopped. And I was like, why the fuck are all the red lights on?
Literally, all the red lights were like blinking. And I was like, and then we were like looking across the entire store, and we were seeing the blinking lights everywhere. Like, they were blinking lights all over the entire store. It didn't even matter where you went. So we just stayed in line, and then one opened up right in front of us, and the guy looks at me. He doesn't say like you can use that. He just looks at me and kind of goes like that, and I was just like, what's that? Should I? So then we just scooted over there, and we started ringing out or whatever. And there were other people that were like standing at some of the registers that were down, that have been sitting there. We were in line for a whole like 10 minutes before we even got up to the thing, and there were people that were standing there going, what the fuck is going on? We go over there and we bring out all of our stuff, and then I tried to use the Walmart app to pay. That didn't work, and I was like, okay. And then Hubster used his card and it said declined, and he was like, no. And then tried it again, and then it went through. So that's the only like mishap that we had. But as soon as we like backed everything up and we're like about to walk out, the people that were standing there like waiting were kind of looking at us like,
that's all? It ain't our fault. Sidebar, a fucking Pizza Hut car just drove past us. What? You're an asshole.
Who's ordering
You're
pizza?
ordering pizza and some shit like this.
But yeah, so I got the green onions, mushrooms. we got some peppers, because you can't have chili without peppers. And we love putting these in our chili. We love putting these in our chicken noodle soup.
Some sort of soup.
Always. Even when I make burritos, I put this in burritos. We got these chili fixins from Rotel. They're seasoned diced tomatoes with green chilies. We got 2. One is the chili fixins, and one is fire roasted, because you know your girl likes extra spice. And I'm gonna put hot sauce in my chili too, which is what I always do anyways. And brown sugar. Right.
I tried to get her to let me do donuts, but she said no.
He means donuts in the snow, not getting donuts, because I'm down for eating donuts.
It was perfect. Fresh powder at the park. I was like, let's do some donuts. She said, no.
Then I got some tomato paste, because you know you need this anyways for chili. And then we got black beans. I got 2 of black beans. I believe I had an onion at the house, but we got an extra one just in case. So we just got a red onion. Just a red onion. And then I got some more groundless beef or whatever. Or beefless ground. I said groundless beef. Groundless beef. Beefless ground. And I just didn't know if we had an extra bag at the house or not, so I just grabbed one.
I get pissed off because I'm not driving in the snow like this. But I'm in a small ass fucking toaster. And I got trucks trying to do 45 or 50 past me. And I'm like, you're an idiot. I don't care what type of, you don't have snow tires on. I'm looking at the fucking tires. You're not fucking paying attention. What happens when your wheels lock up? You you hit me, I'm taking your $80,000 truck.
Like, there are cars literally trying to, like, speed past us and stuff. And I'm like, you guys, there's so much snow on the ground. And it's fresh. And it's getting worse.
And the city
and worse.
Out here, the city doesn't salt shit. So it's sticking. And it's fresh.
Yeah.
I just lost traction now, trying to go 5 miles an hour.
It's a lot of snow.
Come on now.
And people drive so...
See? You just lost traction again.
So stupid. You guys, if you live in an area where... I'm trying to turn it.
Like, it's not...
If you guys live in areas where it snows like we do, and you get your winter storms and stuff like that, like, please drive safe.
Okay.
I don't care if you're in a truck. I don't care if you're in some heavy duty vehicle. Like, be safe. Be safe on the road, because it's not just you on the road. There are other people on the road. That just be safe. Don't be a dick ass.
I'm gonna go down
What does that even mean?
I don't know.
Don't be an asshole.
I'm gonna go this way because I don't think we're getting on that road.
Yeah.
To be honest.
But you guys, it's so ridiculous.
But seriously,
how people drive in this type of weather. And don't even get me started when it's like raining outside, but when it snows around here, like, people around here are already terrible freaking drivers to begin with. And then you add... Too shaky?
yeah, I'm trying to put our feel under there.
Like, people are already terrible drivers out here when it's raining, and then you add snow on top of that, and they become
idiots.
like, well, it's like they literally just go full
like that
on
truck right
stupid
there.
mode. Yeah, there's a truck right in front of us that's speeding down the road.
I cut down
right
a
now.
side street because it's a little embankment. And I know my car's limitations. It's a fucking Kia Soul, alright? It ain't making it up that embankment with like 3 inches of snow on it. Ain't happening. Dude's hitting like 50 on a side street that looks entirely fresh of snow. I don't care if you're in a truck. You're an idiot. And I mean, you guys have seen just in the 5 minutes we've been talking, I've lost traction 3 or 4 times.
And we're like trying to drive away from other cars that are on the road right now. And mind you, we do not live far from Walmart, but we're making it a longer drive to get back home because of all the crazy idiots on the road. I mean, even on the way to Walmart, there were idiots on the road, but it still wasn't this bad out. Even though it was bad out, it still wasn't as bad as it was when we came out. As soon as we came back outside, I was like,
honked at me like it's my fault, man. It's fucking...
Yeah, he got honked at because he's driving safe and driving slow in the middle of a winter storm. And this part, go faster. No.
Like, eat my dick. No.
No.
Like, I'm not speeding up for you. I don't care if you're in a fucking 3/4 ton, 8,000-pound F-350. Get the fuck off my dick.
Literally.
No.
Like, no. But yeah, you guys, we're going to go home, we're going to put this chili on, and then we're going to let that cook on low for some hours, and then we're going to go across the street and play Pokemon. See, the best part about it is that no one goes to this park across the street. Like, and we don't even have to get out of the car, because there's so many stops in this one little area. We can just park our car there, have the heat on.
Hold up now, bitch. You see me. I know I blend in with the snow because my car's like relax.
And then we're going to play some Pokemon. And then we're going to go home and we're going to unbox.
You know which one you're going to be?
No, I have no idea. That's why, like, I want to, like, look at them. And I feel like, what do you want to be?
Necrons. But that's probably what she's going to want to be.
I was going to say, like, I feel like Necron is more my style than it is yours. Because I thought when we were first in there looking at this stuff, I was saying that I gravitated more towards and the crack is getting longer, but it's like, do we get a fresh window now, or do we wait until the blizzard is over?
You gotta wait. It can't get wet for 3 days.
Oh, well then, yeah, definitely not. But I was just like, of course, and then the cracks are kind of getting a little bit longer, and there's only 2 cracks, like one here and then there's one there, but
it wasn't my fault.
You guys, I'm going to do a little bit extra, because when we get home and drop the stuff off, I'm going to take my hair now, and I'm going to get a little bit cute, because I do want to take some photos. You guys have no idea how much of a snow bunny I am. I love the winter. I love...
Get your head out of here.
They don't even know what you're talking about.
Yeah, they do.
So I'm gonna let that innuendo. I'm gonna let it slide. That innuendo. They don't even know. They don't even know what just happened just now.
Get away from me, bro.
Anyways, you guys don't even know how much I love the winter. How much I love the snow.
Yeah, it's definitely making more.
I absolutely love taking pictures in the snow and being out in the snow. I feel like my best self when there's snow around. So, yes, I'm gonna get cute. Oh, we do have bangs. Well, I have bangs. I'm willing to share because it's Valentine's Day. Oh, guys, look.
Isn't he cute?
How cute is he? How cute. Look at my little moose. I don't even know what I'm going to name him.
I don't know. You know, I think after 14 years, this is the first breed stuff he ever got.
Literally. After 14 years. Also, yes, you guys. I am a grown-ass woman, and I love stuffed animals. And yes, they make me happy. And yes, I will love them when I'm 60, 70, 80, 90, 1,000 years old. This is all I will ever want. And you guys don't... I am not even the type of person that really cares for gifts that much. Like, I just mostly love just being around Hubster. That is what brings me joy. So it's just like, I don't need anything as long as we're having a good time and we're together. That's all that matters to me. So literally, I almost said happy anniversary. Happy, what is it?
What the fuck is this?
I told you guys that I was gonna be extra. Took my hair out, put a different top on, and I'm about to go take some pictures because I love the snow. The winter is my favorite time of the year, okay? I would apologize for my extraness, but I'm not gonna. You guys, I'm out here in the snow and I'm so happy. I love the snow. Huh? Are they? Our guys are back. You guys remember yesterday I was telling you guys that there were some guys in trucks that, well, two guys in one truck were fighting us back and forth and back and forth. Hubster just saw their names pop up. They're here.
Don't know where.
But we're about to take them out.
But they're about to get bodied.
You guys, they left again.
They gave up.
They gave up again. We're like, no, don't leave. We're like, I think we only battled them, what, 3 times each gym?
Yeah.
And they just ended up leaving again. We just watched them pull out. This happened yesterday too, except yesterday they lasted a lot longer. Today, they just gave up. And I was like, no, they came right over here as soon as they saw our names popped up and parked right next to us and saw that we were not giving up. And they left again. You guys, we just need to be friends at this point. We're still gonna, you know, beat you at Pokemon, but they left again. So I forgot to close out the video. I got my ice cream and my cookies, and I'm gonna eat this, and this is the end of the vlog. So I hope that you guys like the video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.